Let me tell you something deep today. You may have 15, 20, even 25 years of professional experience, but here is the uncomfortable truth. People will not pay you simply because you know a lot. As my mentor puts, no one cares how much you know until they know how much you care. In other words, they pay when they can clearly understand what problem will you help me solve, what results can I expect, and why should I trust your way of getting me there. And that is the difference between having an expertise and having an offer people actually want to buy. In this video, I'm going to give you my simple 6P coaching offer framework to turn what you know into something clear, valuable, and sellable. And pay special attention to the fifth P because this is where most first time coaches accidentally make their offer harder to sell. If you are a mid career professional who has spent years building expertise and now you are thinking, Pradeep, I know I can help people, but how do I package all this knowledge into a coaching or a consulting offer? Then this video is specifically for you. Hi, I am Pradeep Ghosh. I help experienced professionals transition from career to coach and build a predictable client pipeline using ethical sales systems without becoming pushy. If your goal is to turn your professional expertise into a coaching business people will actually pay for, subscribe to this channel. Every week, I help you simplify your niche, your offer, your client pipeline, and ethical sales system so you can move from career to coach with clarity and confidence. Now let's build your offer. By end of this video, you will know 6 things every strong beginner offer needs. Person, problem, promise, process, proof, and price. And I will also show you how to combine them into a one sentence offer that a potential client can understand in less than 10 seconds. So take a notebook or download the worksheet from the description and build your offer along with me. Let's start with first P, person. The biggest mistake new coaches make is saying I can help everyone. Leadership coach, mindset coach, career coach, business coach, wellness coach. All of this may describe what you do, but none of them clearly tells me who is this actually for. Imagine two statements. Statement number one, I help people become more confident. Statement two, I help mid career managers who struggle to speak confidently in senior leadership meetings communicate with authority. Which one feels more relevant? The second one, of course. Not necessarily because the coach is more talented, because the person listening can say, that sounds like me. Your offer becomes stronger when your audience can recognize themselves inside your sentence. So ask yourself 3 questions. Who already benefits most from my experience? Who has a problem I deeply understand? Who can I credibly help today, not 5 years from now? And remember, narrowing your first audience does not imprison your business, it gives your business a starting point. Now, let's come to the second P, which is problem. People do not wake up saying, I urgently need 12 coaching modules. They wake up thinking, I am stuck. I am not getting clients. I am afraid to leave my job. I don't know how to sell. I keep posting but nobody inquires. Your offer must connect to a problem the buyer already cares about. Here is an useful distinction. There are interesting problems and there are urgent problems. Discover your potential may sound beautiful, but I have been trying to get clients for 3 months and nobody is responding. Creates urgency. So instead of asking, what can I teach? Ask, what problem is my audience actively trying to solve? At one shift can completely change your coaching business. Stop packaging information, start packaging problem solving. That brings us to the third P, which is promise. Now, be careful with this one. A promise is not a guarantee, it's a clear description of the transformation your offer is designed to help create. Weak promise would be become the best version of yourself. Strong promise, build your first coaching offer and start having qualified client conversations within 30 days. One is vague, the other one gives me direction. A strong promise usually answers three things. Where am I now? Where are you helping me to go? What meaningful change will happen along the way? And your promise should be ambitious enough to matter, but credible enough to believe. That is particularly important in coaching. Do not make irresponsible income guarantees. Do not say, join me and you will earn 1 lakh. Instead, say, I help you to build the offer, pipeline, and sales systems required to pursue your first paying clients. The customer still has the responsibility for implementation. That is ethical selling, and ethical selling builds trust. Let's come to the fourth P, process. This is where your knowledge becomes intellectual property. Your customer is thinking, okay, Pradeep, I understand result, but how are you going to help me get there? If your answer is, well, I have 25 years of experience and I will teach you everything I know, that sounds overwhelming. Instead, give them a pathway. For example, in my world, someone transitioning from career to coach might move through stages such as clarify, niche, package, attract, converse, enroll. Now, the person can see a journey, and this is an important principle. Your client doesn't want your entire library. They want the shortest credible bridge between where they are and where they want to be. Your methodology makes your expertise easier to understand and also makes you less replaceable. Now we reach the fifth P, and this is the one I told you beginners commonly misunderstand. Proof. Most people think, Pradeep, I haven't coached 100 clients yet, so I don't have proof. Not true. Proof can come in several forms. You may have professional experience, projects you have successfully delivered, problems you solved inside your organization, teams you developed, results you achieved personally, people you informally mentored, frameworks you have successfully used, your own transformation. Suppose you have spent 20 years building sales teams. You do not suddenly become a completely beginner simply because you now call yourself coach. Your business model may be new, your expertise is not. That distinction matters enormously for mid career professionals. But here is the ethical line: never manufacture testimonials, never exaggerate results, never present your employer's achievement entirely as your own. Use real evidence. And when you don't yet have a coaching testimonial, run a small beta program. Help 3 to 5 people. Document the starting point, document the implementation, document the outcome, and that becomes your next layer of proof. And finally, price. This is where many professionals freeze. How much should I charge? Here is what I don't want to do. Don't randomly look at yet another coach charging 50,000 and decide I will charge 49,999. And don't automatically charge 999 because you are afraid nobody will buy. Your price should reflect things such as the significance of the problem, the value of the outcome, the level of access, the duration of support, the maturity of your proof, and the intensity of implementation required. For your first offer, simplicity is more important than complexity. You do not need 47 modules, 19 bonuses, 3 certificates, and 8 levels, and a digital mountain of PDFs. Your prospect should be able to understand: what do I get? How will it help me? How long does it take? What support is included? What does it cost? Clarity increases confidence, and complexity creates hesitation. Now let us combine all 6 P's. Imagine someone named Rajiv. Rajiv has spent 18 years in operations and process improvement. He wants to become a consultant. Instead of saying, I am a business consultant helping companies achieve excellence, we could build, I help small manufacturing business owners reduce operational inefficiencies by implementing a simple 8-week process improvement system based on my 18 years of manufacturing operations experience. Now we have person, small manufacturing business owners, problem, operational inefficiencies, promise, reduce inefficiencies, process, 8-week improvement system, proof, 18 years of experience, price, determined based on implementation depth and support. See the difference. Nothing magical happened. We simply turned scattered experience into a viable transformation. Now write this down. Here is your basic offer sentence. I help person solve problem so they can achieve promise using my process backed by proof. Don't try to make it clever, make it clear. Clarity first, cleverness later. Because when someone asks, what exactly do, you should not need 3 minutes to explain it. If your customer cannot understand your offer, they cannot buy your offer. Here is what I want you to do immediately after this video. Take a sheet of paper, write 6 headings: person, problem, promise, process, proof, and price. Give yourself not more than 20 minutes. Create version 1 of your offer, not the perfect offer. Version 1, then speak to 5 people from your target audience. Don't ask them, would you buy this? Ask, what feels clear? What feels confusing? What would make this offer useful? The market will improve your offer faster than sitting alone and thinking for 3 months. If you want help doing this, I have created a one-page coaching offer builder that walks you through all the 6 P's step by step. I'll share the link once you join my VIP WhatsApp community and message me 6P. Once your offer is ready, the next problem becomes, how do you know whether people will actually buy it? That is exactly what we are covering in the next video. Nobody is buying your coaching offer. Fix these 5 problems. So subscribe and watch that next. And if you are an experienced professional serious about turning your expertise into coaching or consulting business, I also invite you to join my WhatsApp VIP community at the Shemushians launch, where we work on turning expertise into ethical, repeatable client acquisition system. Your expertise already has value. Your next job is to make that value clear enough for somebody else to buy. I will see you in the next video.